In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Namecheap username in under a couple of minutes here. So what you need to do, you need to make sure you're first logged into Namecheap and then go to your profile and go to dashboard. So once you're in dashboard, go to profile and here you'll be taken to the section where you can see your username. Now you can see here that my username is BradleyBRXD and it's been that for 5 years. Now if we go ahead and click on edit here, it only gives us the option to edit our email address. Now the reason for this is because you can't actually change your username inside of your account. The only way that you can get a new username on Namecheap is to go ahead and create a new account with a different email. So Namecheap have a blog post here, can I change my Namecheap account username? And they say you must create another Namecheap account with your desired username, and because it's not possible to edit a username. So what you can do, you can go ahead and create a new Namecheap account. Now if you've got domains here, you can go to your domain list, and what you can do after you've created your new account with your new username, you can go to manage, you can then go to sharing and transfer, and you can actually transfer all of your domains here to a new owner, and you will just enter in your new username or email address here, then click change, and your domains are then going to transfer from your current account to your new one with your new username. So if that helped you out, please do leave a like and comment down below.